YouTube crew, what it do? What's good with y'all, man? What's popping off? Got all this garbage we gotta get rid of. Trash day was today, bruh. Think it's a game? Nah, there's some real lifetime struggle shit. Show you guys how to remove these tail lights. What you guys think of the setup? Hey, yo, shout out my boy Franny. What up, Franny? Hooked it up with that little mat for the trunk. Got these wheels back on this whip. Took off all the vinyl. What do you guys think of that? Should've made it look clean though. 235 sitting dead over there. Let's get to working though. I'm gonna put this thing in the garage. Start getting down. Alright, y'all. What you guys gonna do first? Let's get that trunk back open. And we're gonna start taking off this little panel. We'll take these lights out first. So I'll pop out all these little clips. All you guys got are little clips everywhere. So I'll get you a little screwdriver or get you a little clip popper and start popping all those out. Alright, we got that panel off. And now there's gonna be a clip on each side for the tail lights. So what you guys can do is go ahead and unclip that. Unclip the clip right there. And there's gonna be an 8mm nut that's bolting this down. This little trim piece. So you guys can loosen that one up. I recommend doing that. It's gonna give you more play with the tail light. And then with the tail light, there's two 10mm nuts right there that you guys can pop out right by the clip. So those two 10s and then that 8mm right there. Let me figure that out real quick. You guys can hit that on both sides and I'll show you what's up from there. Alright, you guys, what you don't want to do is lose the hardware inside this little trunk right here. So make sure you guys get a hold of that when you loosen it up. And then to pop out this clip, there's a little push tab right here. You guys see that little push tab? Fucking camera, bro. There we go. Right here. Push that in and pull it out. Easy as that. Okay, I got those bolts out, or the nuts out. Oh shit, there's two more right here too, on each side. So pop these nuts out, and then that should be it for this part of the tail light. Alright, I popped those two off. Almost forgot about those. And now we should be able to pull this out. Got everything unhooked. We'll try to get this off. Don't break your shit, man. Don't force it. I'm gonna hit one more bolt on this little panel here. That way it's easier for me to take this out. Never mind. I got that shit. Alright, there's 1 out of 4 right there. So you guys do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna do that real quick, take this off, and then we'll pop off that a bigger part of the tail light. Hey yo, real quick though, if you guys are watching up, make sure you guys go fucking run up my social media right there. Drop comments on everything. Drop comments on everything. You guys know what it is. I got the hardware out on this side. Popped out that clip. Now we can pop out the tail light. There we go. Alright, halfway there, guys. This is easy money right here. Okay, now for the bottom parts of the tail lights. You guys get you a little, where'd I put that? Grab you something to pry off these little panels. What I like to do is, God, this light is horrible, hold up. Alright, there we go. Let's check it out. Alright, here we go. So with these little panels on the tail lights, what I like to do is I'll get this little pry tool, this little panel tool, whatever, fucking clip popping tool, whatever you want to call it. You guys pop off this panel right here. What I like to do is I'll come from the top and then slide down this side next to the tail light. Mine come off hella easy because it's broken. But you got 2 tabs on each side, and then 10mm bolts, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And to get behind it, we're gonna have to take off this panel here, so you guys can push out these clips. And you're gonna have to pull this back too, so you guys can start popping off all these clips. Get this out of the way so we can get behind there and unwire it too. So I'm gonna start popping these clips out. It's hella easy, you guys. You guys should be able to do this. These clips out. You guys gotta believe in yourself, man. All that doubt shit, you gotta throw that shit out the window. You guys gotta believe in yourself. See how quick I'm doing this? So those of you guys that need to replace your tail lights, you guys want to hit a little upgrade, just get this in real quick. It's 10 minutes of work. Now once you guys get those clips out, you see I just pulled it up, popped it out. Let's get this out of the way. Make sure you guys don't lose your clips either. Don't lose your hardware, don't lose your clips. Stash all of that. Stashing all of that. Alright, now behind this panel. Sorry. Production on this video ain't too great so far. Fuck it. This is what's going on. You guys can unclip this clip here. And yeah, that's it. Undo that clip. Undo these 10mm bolts. I'll hit this clip real quick. Easy money. I'll get your 10mm wrench or socket. Drive those off of there. And then the rest of it, you can just pull it out. Let me get this off. How y'all doing? Y'all keeping up? How you guys doing, man? Hey, yo, what up, Franny? Yo, that back seat looking sick now. Shit. Alright, I got those bolts out. And now I like to pull it out from this side out there. And then with the wire, you guys just feed it through, okay? So, take this. There's a little rubber grommet there. You just feed that shit through, bro. Feed that through. Or what you guys can do is twist these off right here. Alright, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Pull that out and then unclip it from those clips in there. But if you guys do that, make sure you clip everything up, because you guys will have a fucking tail light out. Make sure, and you guys don't want to rip all this out again, just to get your tail lights up and running again once you put it all together. So I'm gonna just go this route. I don't think I've done that on this car yet, so I'm gonna try to push that through. Let me see what I can do. Push that through. Push that through. Less fuckery. Get that out of there. Alright, 75% of the way. Let's keep it rolling. Y'all holding up? Come on now, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Y'all stay hydrated too. Go get you a Gatorade. Go get you a water. Let's hit this last one too. Pop this panel out. See if I can do it with no tools. Bam. That one's broken too. And then these two 10mm bolts right here. Take that out. Take that out. Easy money. Let's get that panel out of the way. That's all that. Same thing, get these clips out of there. Man, I freaking hate these clips, bro. I'm always breaking them left and right. Get that out of there, pop the clip out. Easy work. Come on now. Let's get it. Pop that through. I got that loose. All we gotta do is pop this out right here. Don't be afraid to fucking pull this shit out too. Let me get this one with two hands though. Hold up. See if I can get it without it. Oh, I ain't trying to break this though. Hold up. Alright, there we go. Get that through. That's that easy work right there. Alright, now you guys got your new tail lights. Got those joints on. If you guys need to replace your light bulbs, you guys can get it. Alright, quick little video for today. Hey, make sure if you guys are watching, you guys stay for the rest of the video. And those of you guys that are new to the army, make sure you guys fucking subscribe. Let's run this up. Let me know what you guys are looking for, what you guys need me to do for you. Alright. Hey, real quick though, shout out J.I. Beats too. If you guys fucking with the beats, make sure you guys go hit up J.I. Beats. Alright. How we looking? Got those tire stickers cleaned up. Look at the silver on this joint. Shit looks dope. What you think? Kept the vinyl on the front and the back. If you guys didn't see my last video, make sure you guys go watch my last video. Show you guys how to remove these back seats. Let's keep running it up though. I appreciate you guys. You guys enjoy yourself. Don't be so hard on yourself, man. And believe. Let's get this rolling. Peace.
J.I. Beats.